May tungyaing Clark Development Corporation o CDC karang miyalo ang sektor ang ginambol at sinaop king pamagpasikan ng tourism industry king mabilog as Central Luzon. Patunay Kenny Inggalal at inggap na ng opisina iba't king Department of Tourism Region 3 king karalang Tourism Recognition for Enterprises and Stakeholders o TRES Awards inyong January 9. May palagyuan niya ini ang timong top tourist destination, province and pre-forts at most visited tourist destination base king same-day visits. At ngening 2024, magsilbi niya ang destinasyon na ng international events in Clark, kaluban ng Hot Air Balloon Festival, MICE o Meetings, Incentives, Conferences and Exhibitions at taliwa pa. Samantala, pepasyag na naman ng President at CEO na ng CDC ay Atty. Agnes V.S.T. Divanadera ang karelang pamagpasikan pasibayu king metong apasyalan king Clark, ing Nayon sa Clark at dating Nayong Pilipino.
We would want to revive Nayon Filipino, but because Nayon Filipino Foundation is no longer the manager of this, so we're calling this as Nayon sa Clark.
At ang timong pamagkabiya kanini, may daon lang misa at aliwa pang kaganapan kini inyang Disyembre, king panimuna na ng Tourism Promotion Division na ng CDC.
Binuhay natin, nagkaroon tayo ng simbang gabi dito, where we had the different hotels selling their food, which actually are the typical food that you see during simbang gabi.
Nilampas la kanuking bilang ng karelang asahan na bisita ring taong dintang Kenya at maging masali ing tinda.
Request that we revive at least the church, and we are writing also the diocese if we can have weddings officiated here.
Para king aluang partina ng pasyalan, i-evaluate dala kanunin proposals na rin miyalo ang proponents sa bisang mag-revive.
More than the revenue that we will generate from here is the culture and the fact that this area is as a representative of the different parts of the country.
Samantala ating pamagsadya karang dakal pang turista adatang, sisiguraduanan ng CDC atin masalese road networks ako konekta king NLEX, SCTEX, MacArthur Highway at aliwa pang dalan. Ako, Engke Kain Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalit.